Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Toyota Tacoma tire. First, ensure you have your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench ready. Find a safe, level spot to park your truck, away from any moving traffic. Always engage your parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that are not being changed for maximum safety. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and secure tire change. Now, before lifting, use your lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise about 1/2 to 1 full turn, just enough to break them free. Next, carefully position the jack under the truck's frame, near the flat tire. Once the jack is stable, slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely off the ground, with about 2 to 3 inches of clearance. With the truck lifted, you can now fully remove the loosened lug nuts and carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. Set it aside. Take your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs. Gently push it onto the hub. Once the spare is seated, hand tighten all the lug nuts as much as you can. This ensures the tire is properly centered before lowering the vehicle. Finally, lower your Tacoma completely to the ground and remove the jack. Now, using your lug wrench, fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern for even pressure. This is very important for safety. Remember to check the description for a link to amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Don't forget to store your flat tire and all your tools securely in your truck. Drive cautiously to a service center to repair or replace your flat tire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.